Choosing the right diaper can be overwhelming, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it. Let's head into Target and get to it. First things first, let's talk about size. Diaper sizes are based on your baby's weight, not their age, so you'll usually find a guide on the packaging. For example, size 1 is for babies 8 to 14 pounds, while size 2 covers babies from 12 to 18 pounds. That is an approximation. And so to pick the right size, weigh your baby at home or check your last pediatrician visit notes. All right, let's talk about brands. So Target carries options like Pampers, Huggies, Up and Up, and more. And so here's what to keep in mind. And here is an example of some Super Absorb Up and Ups. So one of the things you may want to consider is absorbency if you're using it for overnight use, a snug fit to prevent leaks, and hyperallergenic options for sensitive skin. This Up and Up brand, Target store brand, is a budget-friendly choice that still performs well for many families, and you're going to see, usually on the back of the packaging, a list of features and also a list of materials that are in the diaper, and so that will help you make your decision. All right, so speaking of budget, compare the cost per diaper instead of just the total price. Most packs have the info listed either right on the shelf tag or on the packaging, so I like to just look at the total number of diapers and the price. You can see $25.99 for 148 diapers versus this Pampers, more of a name brand, and you can see the difference, 92 diapers for $28.49. So you can do the math. Usually going to be a little bit more per diaper to do the name brand, but again, it's kind of a personal preference and depending on what you're looking for. So how do you know when it's time to move up in the size from that newborn size, maybe to size 1? So a couple things to check for: frequent leaks or blowouts, red marks on the baby's legs or waist, and the diaper tabs don't meet comfortably in the middle is usually a good sign as well if it's getting a little bit snug. So probably time to move on up, and especially at those early stages, you will find your baby growing fast and moving up pretty quickly. So to sum up, check that size chart, pick a brand that fits your needs and budget, and size up when your baby shows they're ready. With these tips, you will be a diaper pro in no time. Happy diaper shopping!